In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create a group discussion topic in Desire to Learn Management System. Okay, first thing we're going to go and do is go to Communication on the navigation bar, and to the right we're going to drop down and select Discussions. Then we're going to go to New and click on New Forum to create a forum folder for the group discussion topics. For this demonstration, we're going to go with Week 2 Group Discussions. And you could put a description of the particular discussion in this box. Then we're going to continue on down. And we're going to go ahead and select Save and Add Topic. So for the new topic details, you see that there's a choice between Group Discussion 1 and Group Discussion 2 to add a topic. But for this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and add the topic to Group 2. So for this discussion, we are going to go with, let's see, U.S. New Wave Artists. And then if you want to put an additional description here, you can go ahead and do so. If not, you can scroll down and continue adding additional topics, or you could go ahead and save and close. And that's what we're going to do. And then as you see here, Week 1 group discussions have New Wave One-Hit Wonders. Week 2 has U.S. New Wave Artists. And you would do this for the additional weeks of your course.